Hey y'all, it's Bree. I'm back again with another video. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm going to be showing you just a takedown of my hair and also how I install my glueless wigs. The hair is from MNB Hair. You guys enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know. And again, thank you so much for watching. So we're going to skip down the braid down and we're going to put this bad boy on because I'm excited. You're excited, and I'm just excited to just be putting this wig on. So I use about 10 to 12 braids for my wigs. I don't really do that many. I just like to do about 10 to 12. And this unit is glueless, but I wanted to try the Ebin Lace Melt Spray just to see how it was going to work on the lace. Yes, I'm excited. Like, who isn't excited about getting a wig? And it's long too. So I was excited to be putting this wig on. Make sure to comb up those curls. The comb that I'm using is like a rake comb. And also the hot comb that I'm using will also be in the description box if you would like to purchase it. But you guys enjoy. I'm going to be done with the voiceovers for now. I haven't even done anything up here yet. Okay, now for the good stuff. We're going to lay this lace, melt it down. It needs to be seamless. First, you're going to go in with your hot comb. I also went in with the Care wax stick to also lay it down as well. So now I am going to fix this lace. I'm gonna go in with this right here. It's the Wonder Lace Bond. It's a lace melt spray. She's secure, but I want to get rid of that look, so I'm going to show you how I do that. I'll fix that once I fix this. So we're gonna spray this into this. Oh, you better disappear. Oh, we making TikToks today. Somebody gonna see me. And then I'm gonna go in with my makeup and knock out that. It's like a white cast. We don't need that. We don't want that. You know what it is. He ain't got it. He ain't got it. He ain't pimping like a thug little hoe. Okay, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Play with it. I went in with this color first, and I'm gonna go in with this one too. You ain't got it. Oh, y'all. This is a 6x6. Oh, wow. Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Am I tripping? Is it the light? You know, the only thing The only thing that's gonna have me convinced is when I go outside. The daytime. The daytime is really gonna tell me whether or not this has done this job. But I'm really getting into 2x6. I gotta fix that. 2x6 and leave out. Ain't that something? See how it's still like, it still looks kind of wide. I'm gonna go in, use some black eyeshadow because she's not that dope. She looks good. It's the black. This part, we're done. With sun. Yeah, sun. Yeah, much better. Starting to look so shiny. We're taking pictures. Layers. Don't be scared. I was a little scared. Much better. When you do layers, it just helps hold that curl. And this is a 6x6 24-inch wig, and she is gorgeous. She's complete. And I'll also list the colors that I used to color this wig. Items will be listed below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Before you guys leave, this is me outside. I just wanted to do a sun test just to see how the lace would look, but she looks good outside too. Bye guys.